3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me.
Hello everyone, it's Sean and today I will be bleaching my hair and coloring it silver. I don't really do videos like this, but I decided why not document it. What else could be more interesting than watching me kill my hair? I think the first thing I should do is tell you guys what my plans are. I'll be bleaching my hair first, twice or thrice maybe, depending on how light it lifts. I will be putting permanent color over that so I can achieve the silver slash gray slash platinum blonde that I wanna achieve. First way I prepared was I did not wash my hair at all because in bleaching your hair should have oils so that your hair can attach to the moisture. If you shampoo your hair before you bleach, it's gonna hurt a lot because the damage to your scalp. I'm not a hairdresser, so please take what I say here very lightly. I did my research. And if you are planning on bleaching your hair at home as well, please do your research because we don't want anyone's hair falling out today. This is the bleach. It's by Hybrid Colors. And I bought 2 packs because I think I'm gonna need that. And I'm planning on dyeing my hair more. Speaking of the history of my hair, this isn't actually the first time I'll be bleaching and coloring my hair. Exactly a year ago, I dyed my hair blonde and then I dyed it like several fun colors. Blue, pink, red, purple, so much colors. I'm gonna be doing it again because I have no more school. I wanna have fun colored hair again. So first, I'll be mixing the bleach. It says in the instructions that the ratio has to be 1:2 bleach to developers. So I'll put the bleach first. Look at that. Then, oh shit, I should probably wear gloves because we don't want to bleach my hands. I'm gonna be mixing 1:2 portions of the bleach and the developer.
Anong ginagawa niyo dito?
Coloring my hair.
Huwag dito, babe.
When you have your bleach, it's supposed to look like frosting dough. So my brother is gonna be here to help me out. Mostly, I'll be doing it myself. Just gonna help me do the back. Kasi I can't see it.
Hi, babe.
Ow. So we need to section my hair because it's easier for us. It's so baby. Okay. Okay, we're doing it. There's no going back. Carla, don't get it on my neck. We're not bleaching my neck. You get lather bleach. See, I learned that from Brad Mondo.
What happens when it goes into the roots?
Then my roots are gonna be lighter. From the heat of your scalp, if you put it on the roots first, your roots will develop faster. Which means you'll have white roots and then your ends will be yellow. So now we're gonna be doing the middle section. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Not do this if you're not willing to risk having all of your hair fall off at home. So we're doing another bleach, another hair, because just to be sure. Here you go.
Oh my gosh, mom's feet is
Oh my god! Oh no, that's the screen. Never mind. I thought I bleached my shirt. You know guys, this one is actually from last year. I'm using the same shirt as I did when I bleached my hair for the first time.
Sentimental value.
This is fun. It looks so good. Probably shouldn't eat it, but yeah, it looks good. Looks like frosting. Only looks like this, but I think when you wash it off, it's gonna be orange. Okay.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna burn a lot. How do you open this?
No, there's scissors here.
We take the hard route. No pain, no gain.
Can you make patak?
The work now?
Hey. Even my shower caps stink because
Let me tayo.
what happened was just So it's been around more than 30 minutes or less. As you can see, it lifted a lot. Now we're gonna be putting on my roots. I'm blonde, look at this. It looks yellow right now, but when you wash it off, it's gonna be orange. It's not gonna be this yellow. My hair is dark, so it goes from dark, orange, yellow, pale yellow. Now we're removing the bleach because I don't want to bleach my hair. God, it's so red. An hour just passed with the bleach on my head. Now we'll be rinsing it off in lukewarm water. Too cold or too hot water is not good for just bleached hair. Hello everyone, so as you can see, my hair is orange. And this is good because it turned out equal. And now we're gonna blow dry it and then bleach it another time. Make sure to use both when you're blow drying your hair because your hair is very delicate right now. Bleach hair takes the longest to dry because your hair is retaining onto moisture that the bleach took out.
Pumunta tayo sa araw.
It doesn't work like that. I don't think that looks like me. Carly is literally just blonde. That's the only thing we have in common. I just dried my hair and it looks pretty good. Mom, do you want to say hi? Say hi to my vlog.
No.
It looks so good, honestly. It does. Okay, we're gonna be doing the back hair first. The first thing. I just finished putting the bleach on my mids to ends, but not my roots yet. And then we're gonna be waiting for another 40 minutes and then we'll place on the roots and then we'll rinse it and hopefully we'll get the desired results. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been 40 minutes and now we're gonna put on my roots. We've just finished applying the bleach on the roots. Now we're gonna wait around another 20 minutes and then rinse it out. And hopefully it'll be a pale yellow when it comes out. So I just got out of the shower and I rinsed the bleach out. I like it. For the first two bleaches, it's actually pretty good. I'm gonna damp it a bit and then I'm gonna apply some purple toner. For the silver hair dye, I'll do it later on kasi I want to give my hair a break. Ramen noodles. I just finished drying it a bit. It's not fully dry, it's a bit damp, yeah, but that's perfect for the toner. So basically, the purpose of this toner is for it to neutralize the yellow tones in my hair. Since this is purple and my hair is pale yellow, it's like right across the color wheels. So when you put purple on top of yellow, it's gonna cancel out and you'll get around white. Look, it's purple. All I have to say is that I'm actually pretty impressed by how nice it lifted because my last bleach wasn't this good in terms of lifting and how light it got. But if you have longer hair, what I did would probably take you around 3 to 4 bleaches. It says here that I'm supposed to leave it on for only 30 minutes, but I want to overtone my hair, so I'll do like 2 hours or maybe even 3. This is actually a keratin toner, so it's supposed to be good for my hair, so you know that's good. from all the damage it has endured today. So it's the next day and this is how my hair turned out. So there's still a bit of yellowing in the back parts, but for the front, I really like it, and I think this is how I want the rest of my hair to turn out. I'm just gonna be waiting for a few days to let my hair rest and so that I could dye the back part. I'll see you when I bleach the yellow parts again. Update. I kind of forgot to film the next parts of the video. I wasn't able to document it, but now that I'm here, I'll be explaining it to you guys through voiceover. I just did the same process all over again, but this time I used a lower volume bleach. I used 20 volume and I put that on the yellow parts of my hair, and this is how it turned out. I'll just show a few pics. I am so sorry that I don't have any videos, but basically after the third bleaching, it ended up making my hair more cohesive in terms of color. As you can see, there's way less yellow parts now and it's more white. After that, I still didn't want to, full on dye my hair. So one night, I had a brilliant idea to put purple toner in my hair and then leave it on overnight. I left it on for about 7 to 8 hours in my hair, and I actually loved how it turned out. My hair turned into a somewhat silver blue color. Hi, it's been almost a month, dyeing my hair and allowing it to take a break. So this is the status of my hair right now. We're going to be coloring it with permanent color. This is the color that I will be using. This Bob Keratin color in the shade Very Ash Golden Blonde. It says here in the box that the ratio has to be 1:1. Okay, it's getting hard to squeeze it out because it's like this. Actually, permanent color is somewhat damaging to the hair. That's why I had to also prep my hair for this and not wash it for a while. I'm gonna get my developer. Here's the developer. Now I'm gonna mix it. Here's how the dye to developer 1:1 ratio looks like. It's, hair dye. I'm putting it in my hair. This one's actually easier to put in my hair because it's more of a liquidy consistency. My hair currently looks like it's turning blue, so I hope it doesn't turn blue because that is not what we're trying to get. Really praying my hair doesn't fall out after this. Fingers crossed. Does the back look okay? I can't even see it. I'm actually gonna be leaving for the States tomorrow. That's why I'm dyeing my hair now. It's been more than 30 minutes already. I should probably rinse this out, which I will right now. It actually turned out blue. So that was not the plan. The plan was silver and gray. And this is obviously not silver or gray. I can't do anything about it now. My hair is blue. You just have to work with this. I'll actually be doing a protein treatment here. This is a protein treatment. It's supposed to add some moisture into my hair after all the damage that I've done. I'm gonna be applying it right now to my damp hair for 10 minutes. Okay. And now I'm gonna be putting some of this Perfect Serum from the same brand in my palm and then massage it into my hair. It's currently the next day. I'm at an airplane going to Los Angeles, hence the airplane bathroom. But basically, I'm just gonna give you an update on my hair. It did turn out blue, and we didn't want blue, but this is good as well. I didn't want to go blue anymore because, as you know, I already went blue before, but the color is actually really nice. What's up everyone? It's been more than 3 days already since the previous clip. This is how my hair turned out. I actually love the color and it was exactly what I was aiming for. Metallic gray, kind of silver. It's perfect. For this color, I used metallic gray by Bremud. It's a permanent color and you can buy it on Shopee. Thank you for joining me in this journey as I do so much stuff to my hair and this already very long video. So thank you for watching it. I hope you learned something from what I did and I hope you also get inspired to color your own hair, whatever color. I'm sure it will look good on you. Just do it. If you want more videos from me, if you're interested in my content, just subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned because I'm gonna be posting more. Goodbye everyone and I hope to see you in the next one.